There are a number of networking events that businesses can attend, but I believe that CBC is one of the best, and the reason for that is that although it's a structured networking group, it's got a fantastic atmosphere and it's very relaxed. It's informal, and the people within the group are very welcoming and very approachable. One of the most daunting things that people have to do in networking is approaching people they've never spoken to, or groups of people in a conversation, walking up and introducing yourself. But I think there is no better forum for that than CBC, because everyone in that group is open to meeting new people. That's why they're in the group, and it gives you that opportunity to get to know people, and very quickly that fear dissipates, and you're in a position where you are starting to really be able to communicate what your business does without that uncertainty that it comes with many networking scenarios.